vlog today. I just finished a video on a pressure cooker that my sister sent me for Christmas that I'm just finally getting around to unboxing. But during the video, I actually made some red lentil curry soup. And I'm sharing this recipe with you guys because it's so good. Like I said in the last video, I will have a lot more recipes using a pressure cooker because it's sitting right here still. Because this thing works really well, so I'm going to go ahead and share this recipe with you guys. I hope you love it. I hope you like it. If you love curry like I do, you're going to fall in love with this recipe. You guys enjoy. Some lentils really quick. Some red lentils which have already been cleaned and separated. And I'm going to use some curry because I've been in a very curry mood lately. And this is the this is real Jamaican style curry powder. I just ran out of my regular curry powder yesterday, so this is what we are going to use. And a little tomato sauce, and of course can't forget my onions and my garlic. Yeah, I had spilled little lentils on that. It'll be okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions and my garlic in together. Do this one time because this is kind of dangerous. Okay, now it's plugged in and I'm going to hit saute. So this has been cooking for about a good 3 minutes already. So I'm going to go ahead and add my beans and then, or excuse me, my lentils, and then my water in. You guys, it already smells really good with just the onion and garlic. I'm a big fan of garlic. If you follow my recipes or watch my recipes, you'll see I use garlic in almost everything. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of curry, 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of salt. Hopefully that will make it too salty, but it's seasoned salt, so we'll see. Okay, the moment of truth. So there's a lock. Oh, that looks so good, you guys. If you like this recipe and want to see what else I'm cooking up, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get all of the notifications. And thank you guys for watching my red curry lentil recipe, and you have a great day.